Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup with milk. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, 2 cups of milk, and basic seasonings. Begin by slicing your mushrooms and sautéing them with some chopped onion and garlic in 2 tablespoons of butter until they are soft. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour to create a roux, stirring constantly for 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Now slowly whisk in the 2 cups of milk, a little at a time, ensuring there are no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to deepen and the soup to thicken beautifully. Taste and adjust your seasonings, adding salt, black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of dried thyme or a bay leaf for extra aroma. For an even creamier texture, you can carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or by transferring a portion to a regular blender, then returning it to the pot. This creates a lovely, velvety consistency while still leaving some mushroom pieces. Before serving, garnish your delicious soup with fresh chopped parsley or a small swirl of heavy cream. Enjoy it hot with some crusty bread for a truly comforting experience. To elevate your soup further, try adding a splash of dry sherry or a tiny pinch of freshly grated nutmeg during the simmering stage for an extra layer of warmth. Don't be afraid to experiment with different mushroom types, like cremini or shiitake, to discover new flavor dimensions. Remember, cooking is all about personal taste. Also, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your car, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.